And welcome back to Polite Ranger Plays. I am joined here today by a frustrating gaggle. The one who I want to very much hurt in Siege.
That's me, guys.
SD.
You know,
Then we have the damaged HVAC employee.
It's Havoc.
take
Close
back.
enough. Then we have Crispy Crisp, but you can't hear him. And then we have Sai.
And connection failure.
I blame Sai.
That means
The second I mentioned
I have
him,
like
the
the
oh no, it was
best
SD.
and or second best. Okay, I was
Shit.
about to say he landed on the
Anyways,
let me
back.
just
It
restart
could
my
have been
game
better.
first.
Cat, if you go psycho in my room, I will throw you outside. I swear. Okay, we have almost everyone. Now we're waiting for SD and the damaged HVAC employee.
It's Havoc.
It's HVAC, bro. Come on, just face it.
In the stream, it says HVAC.
It's Havoc.
It's HVAC,
It says
bro.
HVAC.
I'm actually gonna drop
Editor,
15
correct
kills.
his name. Photoshop it to be HVAC.
Yeah, put a dash in between it.
Can you join us instead of talking? SD.
Give me a second, my boy.
Your SD card. Just join. We all know your internet is dog
Everyone
water.
else fucking joined. Come on. We probably had it fucking drop because of you. Come on.
Don't even have to drop because of what I do.
No,
What
it's-
do I do?
the
Do you
entire
play
fucking
better
body
on
drop
your
is-
servers,
Yeah.
SD? Yeah. Because I tell you what, you can't shoot a fucking person standing still on our servers. It's not even our servers. It's his. That's not mine.
See, here's one thing. I don't care.
You know what?
Here's another thing. You say that as an excuse.
I don't.
Okay, so
care,
we're
my boy.
playing the worst map in the game.
Nah, Stadium.
Whoa. The worst?
Okay,
It's nowhere
no,
near the
here's
worst.
why this is the worst map on defending.
No. Don't
If
talk
you
to
was
me.
to
Don't
go
talk
to
me. Don't talk
every map, no, if you can cut off every entrance to the building on defending very easily. If all 5 defenders play out of sight and 2 watch elevator and 3 watch the windows, attackers cannot get into the building. It's literally impossible. That's
They
why this
literally
is the worst
They
building.
can literally go catwalk and get easy picks off that.
Hey, that's a good idea.
I forgot Catwalk even existed. But if a Fenrir throws Fenrirs on Catwalk, they're gonna know. It's a strat on this map to alleviate people's existence.
Dog, I'm just saying, even if Fenrir threw his shit up there, it's not like it does damage. And I mean, their head's
Yeah, but you
protected, their
can't
body's
see.
protected.
It lets them know when they need to reposition.
Oh, hey. Yeah, I don't care. We
I'll-
still rock Amaru.
Alibi, okay.
Here's the strat, boys. You go all the way down, and then I'm gonna go up a hatch.
Insertion in 5
That's the
seconds.
strat.
I'm gonna do my
No,
own
I
thing.
don't wanna.
You've located a bomb.
Nah, bro.
I'm
Trust.
sorry,
Watch
being
this shit.
evil. I'm gonna do my own thing.
I'm gonna miss every shot just because I have an LMG now.
You know, that's
yeah,
my
I have an
favorite
idea.
LMG in the game.
I have an idea, guys.
Why is
If they
down
gave
there?
that LMG to
Whose
somebody
mic
else,
is
they would
fucking
probably
up?
made it.
Not
You
mine.
must recover the diffuser.
Gotta stop the fuser.
I just lost D.
Oh my god, y'all actually.
The diffuser is
I've
secured.
never been down here. I didn't know this was a place.
I mean, neither.
I didn't know it was a place until
Just now?
no. I'm the one who dropped it there. I didn't know it was a place until the one cyber event where you go through the fucking walls and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Did you
Right.
try
Well-
to do the glitch?
People did that to glitch, yeah.
I knocked
Yeah.
one.
I loved it.
Is he? Did
Wait,
you
you got-
shoot me?
No, I would never.
With the super shorty, I swear.
From that distance, though.
Oh god, that's still the same person. This
Legion's
body
one tap.
takes too
Demon to
long.
your right. There's two to your right. To your right. It's two to your right. Last two. Last seen in sight. Legion was tagged.
Nope. He just instantly gunned me down. That's amazing.
He's 20 HP, isn't he?
Okay, yo. Coming in, planting the
Last
diffuser.
operator standing.
Get behind me.
Our flank door is
Where
covered.
is that echo?
I feel like she's inside.
Diffuser is active. Protected at all costs.
I checked.
Well,
but
this
it's
isn't
not.
her.
Watch every
Watch
entrance.
Cyan. Cyan doesn't listen. I hurt his feelings.
No!
Damn it, Crispy, you stole
it.
Like,
Cyan.
it's-
Now I have to hurt his feelings.
Going up the hatch
Fine,
might not
dude.
work this time, but quote me.
Cyan, you're a
Alright.
worthless character in this game.
So, Cyan, what was it
You're
you said
worthless,
earlier?
worthless.
You said I
What?
can't aim a person standing.
All the dumb shit you don't do.
Shut the fuck
You're
up.
right, you killed 2 people crouching.
What you said?
All the dumb shit you don't do. You can never
I'm
do.
sorry that you can shoot people crouching. That's your just bad habit of aiming dick height.
Yo, they're on the floor. What the hell do you want me to do?
You have a bad habit of aiming dick height,
Listen.
and that works out for you when they're dick height.
They're on the floor.
Friendly drone deployed. Op
You should
4
have swung even
reporting
head
its
height.
location.
They're on the. I mean, I did swing on Valkyrie head height. And yep,
Can
he's
you
dying
stop
again.
dying in my fucking thing?
He has lung cancer. I swear he does.
Good. Stop dying in my
I
thing.
personally feel like a build's
10
character.
seconds to insertion.
I support your decision to have lung cancer, but stop dying in my fucking
5 seconds to
video.
And no, just said he said
come on.
There's enough for
I-
me dying to
Located a bomb.
enemies.
Make your way to its location and defuse it.
How many people are dying in the GRCO? I swear to God.
How many people die in the GRCO? Well, first,
You have dropped the diffuser.
So you just basically asked who's everyone who fucking smokes marriage or Juana.
so German's not gonna die until he's at least.
Oh, no way.
He's right here. He's right here.
He's not.
I saw him run
Diffuser
over
is
there.
now secured.
I told you.
Nerd.
I got an assist off him.
That's good. Oh, he left the game.
I mean, his name's Video Game God. I see why.
Oh. Nope.
How did
Oh,
you not
fuck.
hit? That was
How do you
clearly-
fuck that up?
Yo,
I
it's
headshotted
gone.
him.
Point blank on a window.
Literally headshotted him. Did not work. I don't know how.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
Oh my
gosh,
fucking
sorry.
god. Can you guys stop with flashes?
Shit banned
So,
that for using
we're
shit.
sitting in corners.
Changing mags.
Casual.
You deserve that one. You deserve that one.
I low-key do. I low-key do.
Like,
I'll just go for the plane here. Swing for me. To the left, hard left, hard left, hard left.
Diffuser is active. Protected at all costs.
Sign why,
Friendly,
bro.
last operator standing.
He would had to switch his weapon. Melee goes. He's
Defusing.
defusing.
You don't have
Just
time.
that.
No way he got off.
He's laying down. He's
yeah,
prone.
more.
There's another guy over there. Oh damn.
What?
I think that nigga heard you pull your magazine
I
out.
know. I
15
know, but
seconds
that
remaining.
last shot didn't even fucking
The
hit.
diffuser has been
It went
destroyed.
over my
Okay.
shoulder. The last shot didn't even fucking hit. It went over my fucking
That
shoulder.
castle looking down like a retard. Like his neck
No, he's
don't
gonna
work.
think he's good because I can't fucking see him, but he shoots me right off the bat. Okay.
Blue man's.
Now I have to go and hurt SD.
What did I do?
You're
It's
annoying.
like a stress reliever.
Because he dies. I mean, it's on me.
It's always your
I
fault.
stand by my statement.
When you're not here, it's always my fault. Do you not understand?
Yes. Saying get good.
The same?
Be ready to eliminate hostiles.
I'm gonna go do my Caveira things, you know?
First off, I know you're not a Cav main and you shouldn't be using her because you didn't say Cav things.
10 seconds to
Cav's
insertion.
secondary is so good.
I don't know why.
Cav's
Two shots
secondary is
over.
the best pistol in the game.
No, I lied. It's absolute garbage.
You're actually
Op 4
It's
has located a
otherwise
bomb. Get ready
absolute
to
garbage as
engage.
well.
You're actually in the spec class.
As a person.
Her pistol is the best gun in the game. Pistol in the game, I mean.
I think Ranger actually might be a little kooky.
I was hip firing. Why didn't you allow me to hip fire it?
See how high. Oh.
That's it.
They have a Kali.
And Dokkaebi.
Again with the Dokkaebi. Why is Dokkaebi so used?
No, not unless they open it.
Using fucking Warden and shit.
They're above catwalk.
No, they're not.
Oh my god, bro.
nice.
One lucky headshot, bro. I swear to god.
I just realized I'm soulless playing Sight without a bandit or anything.
You're unlucky headshot.
Changing mags!
Yeah, you're banned, buddy.
I'm reloading.
Ranger, do you like the picture of me flexing Xbox gift card?
Oh, see drones over here. There's a guy droning from upstairs, it looks like. We might be dropping that elevator coming from over there pretty soon.
Op 4, last stop standing.
Yeah, it's Fuser.
Yippee
down
yippee,
the
right
hall.
there.
Yeah.
Why does that reach? Why does that
Eliminated.
reach? That actually so
Successful.
stupid.
Because that's a realistic shotgun.
And he actually has it ADS. You know, here's what people fuck up on shotguns in this game. They don't ADS, and then it doesn't go as far.
But I have a red dot.
What the
Laser.
fuck are you talking about?
Laser. Hipfire laser.
Oh yeah, I mean, I know, I understand that, but still, after a certain distance, even the hip fire isn't one tap. If you ADS, it chokes it so much more than what it would realistically. Realistically, it don't matter if you shoot it from your hip or not, but in the game it does. Might not be as
Maybe,
accurate,
yeah.
but it's fucking shoddy, and if you shoot it in their general direction, they're getting hit. Unless you literally are shooting slugs, but that's your fault.
Hey, Ranger. Was Gasser actually pissing off?
Why am I reinforcing?
German?
I'm soulless.
Swapping mags.
10 seconds to
Because
insertion.
you're bad soulless.
I am a bad soulless.
Was Gasser pissing
I don't
off
use
German
this
last
bitch.
time?
You're a naughty soulless.
That sounds kinky.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
It's meant to.
You.
Can someone with a shotgun please open this for me?
I'll
Well,
open one.
that's too late. You fucking nerd.
There you go.
Boo, boo.
Oh, Lion's up there. He's on catwalk.
No, he's
I'm
not.
Yeah, a breaching charge up on
Send.
catwalk.
Sends here, sends here.
Reloading. Cover me. Reinforcing the wall.
They're breaking in.
Yo, sends. A whole bunch of sends.
That's what I just said.
My bad. This is so weird being a...
I didn't hear him walk past me, but I'll take the free kill on
Send zones. Let's see what I can find.
send. Oh, guys, I have diffuser. Fuck it.
I'm flanking.
I have fucking diffuser right here.
Oh my god, I looked right past this fucking idiot.
Guys, we have diffuser. What are you doing?
Why is he, bro? Hey, look, it's Havoc. Havoc's on the enemy team for some reason.
Throwing you.
One friendly operator remaining.
He just ate the impacts. He just ate the impacts.
I just a sign gets slaughtered on the cam.
Bro, no, because I shot him so many. It's the P90. I need to remember I'm using the P90.
Oh my god.
I need about
there's no way.
87,000 bullets.
Yeah, the P90 is a marshmallow.
Yeah, not unless you hit the fucking head.
Kinda like using it though. Kinda fun, not gonna lie.
Lion's 1 bullet.
Especially when you hit fire.
Oh, they got the camera.
Made your aim a little higher.
No, I don't wanna.
They didn't find him yet. Now they're in the room.
Now they do. You may want to run.
Just
Yeah,
reposition
they're
a
gonna
little bit.
plant.
Nah, they seem kill hungry.
15
Now
seconds.
they have 14 seconds, they're gonna plant.
The bomb diffuser has been successfully deployed.
Maybe if it was a minute,
Who
it'd
has
go longer.
TV volume?
You
I
probably
don't
could have
see-
used your echo drone, stop that plant. Yeah.
Probably, but they shot me when I did.
I was about to say you probably shouldn't go through that doorway, but he said whose TV volume is up, and I turned my shit down.
Did we not have the camera there to watch it? What the fuck?
Hey,
Man,
Oh,
it's
that's 2 pistol kills in a round.
man, that was interesting. That was an interesting matchup.
I'm using an actual gun now. I only like the P90 with the 1.5 on dock and run.
This was the MP5.
Good
I
gun.
said P90. P90. My bad.
Be ready
I
to
use
eliminate all
P90 on Rook specifically, and I use MP5 on dock.
Hurry again. Deployed.
I use MP5 on both.
This will rouse them.
You see, and this is how we stay in copper.
In position.
And the MP5 is kind of better, you know.
The P90 is always going to be better if you hit headshots, bro. I'm gonna be real with you.
5 seconds left.
Deploying razor wire.
Nah, I'd win.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
No, you don't.
I'm seeing if this works. If I get a kill like this, I'm a happy man. I'm a happy man.
I hope you don't get a kill like that.
Come on, Ranger. Have some
And I
positivity.
just destroyed a Bravo drone. And I destroyed the Bravo drone. Dickhead. Dickhead. Dickhead.
Hey. Stop.
And that's defuse.
You know, I found defuse last time and nobody fucking came.
Yeah, but it's in a hall that can easily be watched.
Well, I would have, but I was pretty
Bravo
dead.
drone. It's Bravo drone.
Yep.
Where's that defuse?
I tried
at?
shooting it, and it didn't work.
Now we can't walk through there. That's wonderful.
Where's that defuser?
It's in hall, main hall, from elevator.
Of course you see me. Of course you're a diamond too. Of course.
Oh, well, diffuser's here now.
They just got Habana that wall.
Whoever's so ridiculously overpowered, I swear. Sounds like every single like operator almost.
Alright. saw me pretty quick. Oh, that's why.
Remember, folks, efficiency is clever laziness.
You had to rely on Ranger.
Yeah, I'm one bullet.
And Ranger we
That's
trust.
fucking shitty as hell.
Rangers don't trust no more.
I don't trust
All
anyone
friendlies were
anymore,
eliminated.
no.
Mission failure.
Hey God, they didn't bottom frag this time.
Hey, look, we have a camera there that could have pinged him. But nobody fucking pinged it. Okay.
And I have to pee.
Thank you everyone for watching. You know what to fucking do.